Hey guys, it's Roota here. So today I wanted to show you something really cool. There is this app called the Hemingway Editor. You basically go to hemingwayapp.com or you can just Google Hemingway app, and it will show up. It's a free tool. So this tool actually helps you to create simpler copy, which is of the grade 5 level, that is 5th standard. Students can also read it. Your ad copy should be simple and not complicated, and I was running this app on one of my copies. So you might have seen one of these ads of mine promoting my free workshop. So I have pasted this entire thing over here. So let's read. The entire thing is pasted over here. So then it actually shows that the ad copy is quite complicated. It is grade 8 level. So it's not bad, but it's not good also. So here it has highlighted the red things are really, really hard sentences for people to understand. Then the yellow ones are quite hard, not as hard. So the green thing is like a passive voice, which is fine. The one is an adverb, which is again just fine. But basically what you want to do is get rid of all of the red ones because it is a hard sentence for people to read and understand, right? And as you can see, red, red and red. So let's focus on that. So here I'm saying you might have spent hours creating pictures and proposals to send a prospect, submitted your application, and then after all that effort you might have been rejected. So look at what so much I'm trying to say. It is too much, right? Like you got confused just reading it. And then I'm saying, would you like to know a better way to attract only high quality clients for your business without wasting any time chasing the low quality ones? So I'm making the point across. It's direct, it's good quality copy. Don't get me wrong, it's really good copy. It's just that it's complicated to read. And then we have, would you want me to show you how having good high paying clients affect not just your happiness but also motivates you to give the best experience? So I'm trying to say a lot of things in one sentence, and that is the issue here. So basically I ran through this app and it showed me the issue. So then I actually went ahead and fixed it. And now this is the new copy that I came up with. So then I actually converted into a story format. So like this thing over here, you might have spent hours creating pictures, and these one complicated sentence I actually converted into 3-4 sentences. Have spent hours creating pictures and proposals to send a prospect. Easy. You submitted your application and then wait for them to respond. And then after all that effort, your proposal got rejected. Isn't that frustrating? All that hard work for nothing at all. So I converted into simpler sentences in a story format, so that like it's very easy for people to read. So now you can see that this is grade 5 level. There are no red things, and similarly I also fixed this and this. I said, want to know a better way to attract only high quality clients for your business without wasting any time chasing the low quality ones. So I converted into two sentences. And then want to learn the exact ways I gained high ticket clients for my global marketing agency in the last 2 years. So here I was using like international clients as well as global marketing agency. It's redundant, right? And then I removed would you be interested, and then I said want to learn. Like I just simplified things. And then here would you want me to show you how having this was really complicated, like this was really bad honestly. Having good high paying qualities affect not just your happiness but also motivates you to give the best experience. And then I did the secrets behind working with good high paying clients. It affects your happiness as well as motivates you to give your best to your clients. Wow, so many mistakes. The other thing was good, but yeah, you should always run your ad copy through this app and make sure it is simplified, people can read it, make sure it is grade 5 level. That is also what I taught you guys, that while creating ad copy always make sure it is grade 5 level. Alright, so I hope this helps.